Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
When it comes to keeping your little one safe and comfortable on every ride, few car seats can match the reliability and versatility of the Graco 4Ever DLX in one car seat. This seat is designed to grow with your child, literally from infancy all the way to big kid years. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is given down below in the description. Now, what makes this one so special is its incredible 4-in-1 design. You're not just buying one car seat, you're investing in 10 years of use. It starts as a rear-facing harness for infants from 4 to 40 pounds, then transitions into a forward-facing harness from 26 to 65 pounds. When your child gets older, it converts into a high-back booster for 40 to 100 pounds, and finally into a backless booster up to 120 pounds. That means one seat can take your child through every stage safely and comfortably. Safety is always the top priority, and Graco takes it seriously. The 4Ever DLX is Graco ProtectPlus Engineered, which means it's tested to meet and exceed the latest crash safety standards. It's built to protect your child in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes, giving parents that much-needed peace of mind. Installation can often be the most stressful part of using a car seat, but Graco has made it unbelievably simple. Thanks to their exclusive InRight LATCH system, you get a secure 1-second attachment with an audible click. That sound tells you it's properly locked in, so you can drive away knowing your child is safe. If you prefer using a vehicle seatbelt for installation, there's also an integrated belt lock-off system that helps ensure a tight, secure fit every single time. So whether you're switching vehicles or setting it up for the first time, it's designed to be hassle-free. Comfort is another area where this seat shines. It features 6 recline positions, helping you get the best fit for your car and keeping your child cozy on short trips or long drives. The seat padding is soft and supportive, and the design gives your little one room to grow without sacrificing safety. Graco also made sure adjustments are quick and easy. The Simply Safe Adjust harness system lets you move both the harness and headrest together in one motion. No need to re-thread straps or deal with complicated adjustments. Plus, there are 10 headrest positions to perfectly match your child's height as they grow. The materials used are premium quality, with a soft yet durable polyester fabric that's easy to clean. Parents love that the seat pad can be removed and machine-washed, making cleanup a breeze after any spills or messes. The Charlie color design gives it a modern, clean look that fits perfectly with most car interiors. But beyond style, it's the combination of safety, durability, and ease of use that really makes the Graco 4Ever DLX stand out. This seat was designed for families who want something that lasts. A seat that grows with your child from the very first ride home until the day they're ready for a regular seatbelt. With 10 years of reliable protection and comfort, it's one of the most practical and trusted car seats you could buy today. So, if you're ready to make your car ride safer, easier, and more comfortable for your little one, the Graco 4Ever DLX 4-in-1 car seat is an investment worth every penny. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is given down below in the description.